In today's video, I'm going to show you how to upload audio to your Roblox. So the first thing you need to do is open your browser and then log in to roblox.com. So in here, just go ahead and click on the create at the top, and then you will be directed to your creator dashboard. So in here, just click on your dashboard. And then click on the development items. In here, select audio, and then just have to scroll down and click on upload assets. So in here, just click on upload button. It says here that you can only upload more than 7 minutes. So once you click that one, you will be directed to your file explorer, and then select a song that you wanted to upload. Once you're done, just click on enter. And then in here, you can write any descriptions that you want. So you can type in to change the title or whatever. And then once you're satisfied, just click on the upload. And it will take a minute or a seconds to finish this one. So once you're done, you can see here that you already uploaded a audio. So I will be showing you how you can find this one. So let's go back to our menu, the roblox.com earlier. There you go. So in here, just click on the three horizontal lines on the upper left, and then click on inventory. So under my inventory, just go ahead and click audio. So you will see here the audio that we uploaded earlier. So just click that one, and then there's the link up there. So just go ahead and copy that one or whatever you like to do with this one. And that's it, guys. That's how to upload audio to Roblox. So I hope you find this video helpful, and if you do, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.